Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete trophies on your PlayStation 5 account. So this is easy to do. If we go up to top, we need to select our profile. Then we can go to trophies right here. Then we want to find the trophy to delete. Now, sometimes I have both PlayStation 4 and PS5 versions of a game. So like, for example, Quake. I can go over the PS4 version since I don't play that and press options on it. And there will be an option to delete at the top. So let's delete it. Trophy information for this game will be deleted. Quake 2, let's press OK. It says please wait. And now this game should be removed from my trophy list. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.